Hi, good evening all. Welcome to my channel Excel Maths and Board. Today we will see Applied Mathematics Boards and Stream continuation. Okay. Now look at the sum. A man can row a boat 10 kilometer upstream. 10 kilometer upstream. This is what is given in a river and returns back to the starting point. So he is going upstream and downstream and returns back to the starting point in 55 minutes. The rate of flow of water is flowing at the speed of, that is y is given, right? Water flowing is y. Find the rate at which he can row the boat in still water. So he's asking find the rate in still water, that is they are asking what is x value. So you are asked to find what is x value. So he's going up and coming down. Okay, so here you have to find what is x. Y is given as 2 kilometers per hour. Distance traveled is 10 kilometers going up and coming down. Total time taken, time total is 55 minutes, that is 50 by 60 hours. This is what is given. So what is time total? Time up plus time down, right? So let us just write what is time up plus time down. So what it is? Time up, we know time is distance by speed. So distance is 10 kilometer, time up. So it is x minus 2, that is the relative speed, plus time distance by time down is relative speed. This is given as 55 by 60. Here because speed is kilometer per hour and this is minutes, the unit need to be same. So I converted 55 minutes to 55 by 60 hours. Take LCM now. You can take 10 commonly out. Take 10 commonly out. So it is x plus 2 plus x minus 2 by denominator looks like a plus b into a minus b. So which is a square minus b square, which is 55 by 60. So plus 2 and minus 2 getting cancelled. 2x into 10 is 20x. So 20x by x square minus 4 equal to 55 by 60. This can be reduced in 5 tables. So this is 11 by 12. Now cross multiply. On cross multiplying, we will get this equation. What equation will get? 11x square minus 240x minus 44 equal to 0, which is a quadratic equation. On solving this, you can factorize or use formula, choice is yours. So on solving this, we get x is equal to, it means factorize. So if I factorize, I get 11x square minus 242x plus 2x minus 44 equal to 0. Take commonly out, so here 11x is common. If I take it out, it is x minus 22 plus 2 is common. Again x minus 22 equal to 0. So again x minus 2 is common here. If x minus 22 is common, so this becomes 11x plus 2 equal to 0. So x is 22. This is ignored because here x becomes minus 2 by 11. This is not possible because x is the speed. So I'm been asked to find what is x. So the answer is 22 kilometer per hour is the required answer. Now we'll move on to the next question. A man can row 6 kilometer in still water. Still water matlab, so this is the x. It takes him twice as long to row up as to row down. So time taken to go up and time taken to go down is given. If this is t, here is taking 2 times, twice. Find the rate of the stream, that is you have to find what is y. So here the distance is not being given, but I know that distance is speed into time. So distance for going up is also, you will cover the same distance. Distance for going down also will cover the same distance, right? So now distance for going up is speed. What is relative speed upwards? It is x minus y into upward time is 2t. for distance to go up. Similarly, distance to go down, distance downwards. That is also speed into time only, but here speed is 6 plus y into time. In either case, the distance what he is going to cover is the same. So the left hand side is equal. So equate the right hand side 6 minus y into 2t is equal to 6 plus y into t. So t and t getting cancelled, I get 12 minus 2y equals 6 plus y, or I get 6 is equal to 3y, or y is equal to 2 kilometer per hour. So find the rate of the stream, find y. So I have found what is y. So understand the question, read the question thoroughly, you will get the answer. Now we'll move on to the next question. The speed of the boat in still water is 5 times other speed of the boat in still water. So x is 5 times that of the current. The current is y. Normally we take it as y only. It takes him 1.1 hours to row from a point P, from point Q to the P downwards. So time taken downwards is 1.1 hours. And the distance is, this is the distance between P and Q is 13.2. How much will we cover in this time upstream? So what is the time, what is the distance we will cover upstream? Okay, so what is given? X is equal to 5y, distance is given as 13.2, time taken downstream is 1.1 hours. Now I can relate d is equal to, or t is equal to d by s, either way. So I can write 1.1 is equal to distance is 13.2 by relative speed downstream is x plus y, that is x plus y. So I get 6y is equal to 13.2 divided by 1.1, which is 12. So I get speed of the stream is 2 kilometer per hour. This is the speed of the stream. It is already given x is 5y. So what is x? So x is equal to 5 times y, which is 10 kilometer per hour. But he is not asking x and y. He is asking me how much he will cover upstream. So what is the distance covered upstream? So what is distance upstream? What is the formula? It is speed into time. For upstream it is x minus y, that is x is 10 minus y, this is 2, and the time taken is given as 5.5 hours. 1 by 5 hours, correct? And the time taken is 1 by 5 hours. So it becomes 8 into 5 1 by 5. 8 into 5 1 by 5, that is 40 plus 5 by 8. We have to multiply this 8 with the whole number and then with the fraction. So this is the kilometer. 40 plus not 5 by 40 plus 8 by 5, correct? So it is 40 plus 8 ones are 8 by 5. So which is 40 plus 1.6, which is 41.6 kilometer. This is the distance he will cover upstream in 1 by 5 hours. Hope you have understood the concept a little bit. So read the sum thoroughly, decode it in mathematics as and when you read English, you will get the answer. We'll catch up in the next video. Bye.